The assumption built into most residential security thinking is that law enforcement will respond within a reasonable timeframe if something goes wrong. In normal conditions, that assumption is often correct. In the conditions where home security actually matters most, widespread civil unrest, major natural disasters, large-scale grid failures, or any event that simultaneously generates high call volume and reduces law enforcement operational capacity, the response time assumption fails completely. Police departments in multiple major American cities documented 90-minute to 4-hour response times during civil unrest events in recent years. Rural areas under normal conditions regularly produce 30-minute or longer response times. During a genuine widespread emergency, dialing 911 may reach a busy signal or an automated hold system. The security framework that assumes law enforcement backup is available is built on an assumption that fails precisely when it matters most. Before we go into the specific system, the solution to this problem is the anti-looter kit, designed by former CIA officer Jason Hansen specifically for the scenario where professional backup is not coming and your home must defend itself autonomously. The link is in the description. Get it now because everything we are about to cover is built into that system and you will want to see exactly what it contains. Leave a like and drop a comment if autonomous home defense without institutional backup is a scenario you are preparing for. In the Beginning covers what most security content does not. Jason Hansen's CIA background is the origin of the kit's specific design philosophy. Intelligence field security at overseas outposts operates under exactly the assumption we just described: local law enforcement is either unavailable, unreliable, or actively hostile. Response times from any legitimate backup are measured in hours rather than minutes, and the protected location must function as a completely autonomous defensive system. The design principles that emerge from this operational context are the same principles built into every component of the anti-looter kit. The first principle is zero external dependency. Every component of a genuinely autonomous security system must operate without any external infrastructure: no grid power, no internet, no cellular signal, no monitoring service. The anti-looter kit's perimeter tripwire fires a standalone alarm with no signal transmission required. The solar floodlight operates from its own photovoltaic battery system. The dual-function alarm door jammer operates from an internal battery with direct mechanical triggering. The all-angle motion sensors and stealth window alarms operate from long-life batteries with no Wi-Fi connection. The entire system functions in a complete blackout during a total cellular outage with active signal jamming devices present in the area. The second principle is layered detection before physical engagement. Field outpost security does not rely on stopping an intruder at the door. It detects the intruder at the perimeter, alerts the occupants with maximum lead time, and progressively escalates the visual and auditory deterrence as the threat advances through the layers. The anti-looter kit's architecture follows this exactly: perimeter tripwire at the outer boundary, solar floodlight visual deterrence in the approach zone, alarm door jammer at the final entry point. Each layer provides both deterrence and detection, turning the approach into a progressively noisier, more visible, and more costly risk proposition before physical entry is ever attempted. The third principle is simplicity and reliability over complexity. A security system that requires technical expertise to configure, that generates false alarms that train the occupant to ignore it, or that fails due to component complexity during the highest stress moments is worse than no system at all. The anti-looter kit installs in 30 to 60 minutes with no professional assistance, no app configuration, no network pairing process, and no technical background required. The setup is physical: you position the components according to the included defense guide, test each one, and the system is operational. This simplicity is not a compromise. It is the design goal of a system built for reliable operation during exactly the conditions where technical complexity creates failure points. Jason Hansen's complete home fortification defense guide is included in the kit's tactical case alongside every hardware component: the perimeter tripwire, solar floodlight, dual-function door jammer, all-angle motion sensors, stealth window alarms with remotes, and the visual deterrent sign. No monthly fees. No subscription. No ongoing costs beyond the annual battery check that most components require. A home that can defend itself without police response, without grid power, without internet, and without technical complexity is a home that is genuinely protected rather than dependent on the continued availability of infrastructure it does not control. Get the anti-looter kit from the link in the description. In the Beginning is named for the knowledge that predates institutional dependency. This is that knowledge applied to the specific security threat of 2026. Leave a like and drop a comment telling us your current police response time estimate and whether your security system works during a power outage. Get the anti-looter kit from the link in the description. In the Beginning is named for the knowledge that predates institutional dependency. This is that knowledge applied to the specific security threat of 2026. Leave a like and drop a comment telling us your current police response time estimate and whether your security system works during a power outage. Get the anti-looter kit from the link in the description. In the Beginning is named for the knowledge that predates institutional dependency. This is that knowledge applied to the specific security threat of 2026. Leave a like and drop a comment telling us your current police response time estimate and whether your security system works during a power outage. _